Hey, I got a question for you.
I'm on the daily grind, I'm taking care of work, I'm getting paid today, I'm doing things to make it right.
Is your money working for you, or are you working for money?
It's the life I lead.
It's your boy, the Crypto Lifestyle, coming back at you once again. The lifestyle where your money works for you instead of you working for money. Now guys, as we know, the market's conditions has just been terrible the past 2 months, month and a half, and with the bot, that doesn't bode well. Okay guys, so as you all know, in my last video I have paused my bots because the markets were about to crash and they seem to be recovering, so I think I'm gonna actually turn them back on right now. But first, before I get to that, as you guys can see here, Crypto World Evolution has revamped their site, and they actually are showing the CEO and some of the team members here. So as you can see guys, this is the corporate team. We have Thomas Perez, we have Guillermo, and Andreas, Randy, and this gentleman over here is the advisor, Gang Bai. So I mean, that's pretty cool for them to show the people behind the scenes, right? This is something we're definitely not used to, so that's cool. You know, the training center has also kind of been updated a little bit. Like, this looks a little bit different here, so they kind of revamped the site. That's pretty cool, right guys? Okay, so let's get right down to the business of business. So what I would like to do is damn, I kind of forgot how to do this. Okay, trading center, there we go. Right, click my robots, and right here guys, as you can see, they're all paused now. You know, when I click here, it's going to be really low. Look at these losses, right? It's not that bad. So I'm going to turn this back on guys. Let me make sure and see if the markets are recovering the way they should. Change 24 hours. We're seeing a lot more green. So guys, mind you, yes, Bitcoin, it's important for Bitcoin price to go up, but when you're trading altcoins, you only really care about altcoins going up, okay? Because we're trading in that fashion. So let's see it more like we're going long over here. Okay, we're going long, we're not shorting. It's really good to short BTC. So okay, so yeah, markets seem to be recovering guys. We see a lot of green here, so that's an indication that's an indicator, right? You always hear about traders talking about indicators. Like, that's in a way is an indicator that the markets are kind of going back up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably turn on all of my bots. Where the hell are they? Okay, so I shall go here. I'm gonna turn them back all on, whatever. Start buy, start buy, start buy, start buy, start buy. And what I'm gonna do from here on out, I'm just gonna glance throughout the day guys. I'm just gonna glance at this. This is very important, the overall market cap. Now I know it's around 450-ish. If that goes to say like around 420, I might be in trouble. But if it's going to go up, if it's continuously increasing and going up, that's a very good sign for me. Okay, because that means my altcoins are reviving, and once the alt prices are going up, I could buy it now, and as it goes up, you know, within the next hour, my bot could sell it and be in the green. So that is the main goal there guys. So also what a lot of people don't know out there is over here, if you guys have the 2K pack, you could actually trade Bitcoin. So you'll be trading Bitcoin to USDT. So right here in my Binance account, I will show you guys this exactly. So let's go to USDT. USDT is Tether. Okay, for those of you who don't know what that means, that's not US dollars, but it is very similar to it. Tether is pegged to the US dollar, right? So we got Bitcoin here. Okay, USDT. Okay, cool. So if I actually switch the option on my bot, I can switch it to a trading strategy or a trading type called win-win. Win-win will allow you to trade Bitcoin. Okay, so I would trade Bitcoin and lock it into USDT. So as the price goes down, let's say the price, for example, okay, let me actually go here. See, the price of Bitcoin right now is 10,300, right? Okay, and the bot thinks it's going to go down, right? Like how it just did the past 2 days. Okay, it would actually take Bitcoin and lock it into USDT. So now this 10K is locked into USDT at 10,300. Once that market goes down, say it goes down to 9,300 or 9,500, okay, I buy it all back at that low price and it goes up, and I just made more Bitcoin, guys. So I hope you understand that. So that's another strategy we could look at. I'm probably going to implement that bot when the markets crash again during the next crash and see what happens. I'll test it out and let you guys know. So for anybody out there that would like to test it out, you'll just click add robot, you put in the name, you click the exchange, and one thing to notice here, the exchange Binance is not compatible with the win-win right now. So you cannot trade Bitcoin to USDT on Binance. You will simply have to have a Bittrex account, ship some Bitcoin over there, and test it out over there. And I'm okay with that too. So yeah, that's a very important fact I just wanted to point out there as well, guys. Okay, guys, so that's the conclude this video. It's very short, it's very quick, just a little overview, conclusion. So Crypto World Evolution, they have revamped their site. You can see the team here and whatnot, if that's what you want to do. They got their ticker here, that's cool. Yeah, I have turned back on my bots because I think the overall markets seem to be somewhat reviving. You know, we'll see what happens. You gotta monitor this, nothing is for sure, okay? Looks can be deceiving, and especially in cryptocurrency. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you right now. Until the next video, you're on your own. Later.